This short tutorial will walk you through the steps necessary to redirect a domain purchased from an external provider onto an AppDrag hosted website. In your project settings, click on the Domains and Emails section found on the left panel. Select Use an existing domain and type or paste in the domain name. Make sure you add the 3 W's though. Click Add, then go to the registrar's DNS configurations. In the forwarding or redirection option, forward the route to www, then the domain, and make sure it's set to permanent 301. Then further in the DNS settings, look out for the CNAME with the www name and replace the value for custom-domain.appdrag.com. Some registrars like this one requires a dot after the .com. If this CNAME is not in the list, just add it yourself. And that's it. You may have to wait a little while for the change to take place, but eventually your domain name will reach your AppDrag website. Remember that this is only a redirection. Check out the transferring tutorial to transfer the domain entirely from your registrar to the AppDrag registrar and benefit from amazing free advantages like an SSL certification and email forwards.